Regarding the new Income Tax Act 2025, which is getting effected from 1st April 2020, that is ICHAN. So तातून major जी changes जाल्ले आसा which is beneficial is basically for salaried class. तातून salaried classक basically HRA exemption revise केल्ले गेल्ले आसा. 4 more new cities has been included like Bangalore, Pune, Hyderabad and Ahmedabad. Basically tier 2, tier 3 cities are trying to include it. So that is one added advantage where the salaried class will have more tax savings. In addition to that, there is a standard deduction also is standard of 75,000 which they can claim. Then there is increase in meal voucher limit. I mean earlier it was some $50 which has been increased to 200 per meal. Then there is a rebate also. Basically एकाच सेक्शन घाल्ल्या कारणान assessing benefit जाता. आणि I would always congratulate the central government for taking an initiative for helping the general public in basically for simplifying the tax reforms.